Good morning students. Now we are continuing with our practice of numerical solving. How we do this? The question is an impure sample of sodium chloride. What is this? Chemical name sodium chloride, which weighted 1.2 gram. 1.2 gram. Give on treatment with excess of AgNO3. Get treatment with excess AgNO3 solution. 2.4 gram of silver chloride. 2.4 gram of silver chloride as a precipitate. Calculate the percentage purity of the sample. We have to find out the percentage purity of the sample in this. So how we have to solve this? Sodium chloride is reacted with silver nitrate. So that is the reaction we have. This is NaCl sodium chloride. This sodium chloride is reacting with silver nitrate and we are getting silver chloride and NaNO3. You know the molecular mass of NaCl 23 plus 35.5, then we have 58.5 here. Silver nitrate not required. Formation of AgCl takes place and the molecular mass of silver chloride is 108 plus 35.5 and the total is 143.5. We have the molecular mass of AgCl. This 2.40 gram is the quantity which we have during the reaction of AgCl. Now how we have to solve this? First we have this equation 143.5 gram of AgCl obtained from 58.5 gram of NaCl. It means 143.5 ग्राम AgCl हमें मिलता है या रिएक्शन में बनता है जब हम 58.5 ग्राम NaCl एज अ रिएक्टेंट लेते हैं. अगर हम 1 ग्राम लेंगे, if we take the 1 gram of AgCl, then the obtained amount of this sodium chloride will be 58.5 divided by 143.5. In question, the quantity we are getting this 2.4. In question, we are getting the quantity 2.4. So 2.4 gram AgCl is obtained by how much NaCl we required. The required quantity of NaCl we get by this equation. 58.5 divided by 143.5 and that is 0.978 multiplied by 2.4. So this is the required quantity of sodium chloride for getting the amount 2.4 gram of AgCl. Now we have to find out the percentage purity. How we find out the percentage purity? 1.2 gram NaCl contains the pure NaCl. It means if we have 1.2 gram NaCl, it contains the pure quantity 0.978% purity is present in there. If we have 1 gram of NaCl, it contains the purity level 0.978 divided by 1.2 gram. If we have 100 gram of NaCl, contains the how much quantity of pure NaCl? Percentage means per 100. When we count the percentage, the general meaning of this, you have to count the value on per 100 basis. It means 100 gram of NaCl contains the pure NaCl. How much quantity of pure NaCl is present in 100 gram of NaCl? That is 81.5 gram quantity is present in in this purity form present in this question. So that is how we solve this question. There we again see the recap how we solve. We write the equation NaCl HNO3, then we get AgCl NaNO3 molecular mass. Then by using this equation we find out the quantity of this sodium chloride, and by using this we get the percentage purity by solving this. So this is the problem which is related to the mass volume. Now next last stoichiometric calculation is volume relationship. Next is volume relationship we have in this. Volume relationship volume relationship. It means in this kind of problem we have to find out the value of the volumes there. Now we have a question: an impure sample of sodium chloride, an impure sample of sodium chloride, weighted 1.2 gram, weighted 1.2 gram, gives the silver chloride, as a precipitate, HPPT. Now calculate the percentage purity. Calculate the percentage purity of the given solution. Now how we solve this question? We have to solve this question by another methods. And how we solve this: impure sample of sodium NaCl weighted percentage purity of this given solution. So in this question what we have: impure sample of sodium chloride and weight is 1.2 gram, and silver chloride PPT is this. So how we find out the percentage purity? This question is related to the volume relationship. We will continue with this topic in our next class. Thank you.